Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christopher, and I'm one of those annoying people who actually kind of likes the idea of flying in airplanes. I think they're fascinating, until I actually get into one, and then my crazy person brain turns on. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my thoughts on an airplane. Why does nobody ever pay attention to the security announcements? What if we crash, people? No, you know what? Fine. I will just pay extra close attention, and if something goes wrong, I will save all of you. Excuse me. She just said to make sure that your devices are in airplane mode. I hate you for the rest of this flight. I hate you. Should that part of the wing be doing that? It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. It's just a little turbulence. You're fine. Christopher, you're fine.
We're all gonna die.
Oh my god, I'm in a flying metal tube. Humans are awesome. Oh my god, I'm in a flying metal tube. Humans are stupid. Oh god, where is that smell coming from? I wonder if this thing would be hard to fly. The wing just did that thing again.
We're beginning our descent.
Okay, but take it slow, buddy. Take it slow. Get off your phone! Oh, and there's that smell again. Wait, is that coming from me? Oh my god, here comes the runway. Oh my god, here comes the runway. We're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. That was a pretty good flight. I wish I was making up any of that, but it's all true. Okay guys, that is all I have for you for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Do you have any crazy person thoughts when you get onto an airplane? Let me know down in the comments section below. Before you leave, make sure that you click right here to subscribe to my channel, or click down here if you want to see some of my other videos. Thank you so much for stopping by and for hanging out with me today, and I will see you soon. Bye.